bwekegancha ekenene ya serikali Mheshimiwa John Mbadi oigirire budget omwaka oyega ase atebire ebirengererio bya abananchi nigo byabwateranetiwe ase budget eyo ase haire ngaki chiae gati busamo chire gati abarai abo bakorwa bakomochia emeroberio yanyarete koenekiwa ase budget eyo irachigosomwa omotenyo gatano ase atebire nigo irachie korumoruseria gose irachie abarai abo babeire bakomochia budget eyo niga irachie koba egurube enene ase abakenya murikitoli netinyambane no arenga asomo igoyo robatiro ase nchiro bwikira.
We are also saying that there are some provisions they were put, like transport of sugarcane was a mistake that was put in 2021, that they were put under zero rating. It's complicated. How do you even start calculating input tax on sugarcane? So to avoid the unnecessary computations and complications, put them under exempt. Put the inputs also under exempt. So the net effect will be zero. So there is nothing to worry about in those matters. I think those are just sensational people who are bringing issues that don't make sense.
Gukwana nabariki bamangana amaya no muwaziri bwekegancha ekenene gya serikali John Mbadi asatebire budget y'omwaka oyoiga nigerengia nakoyetoge buna nigemurekerete sector ao asebono amochirie abanasiasa bari bagusegeta abananchi gokora okorobekana.
That I welcome constructive engagement, but I don't welcome propaganda. I don't welcome propaganda, especially where propaganda is coming from senior leaders in this country. Let us call out some of these leaders because they should not stir unnecessary emotion. We have really gone great lengths to balance off things, to ensure that Kenyans are not overtaxed. And at the same time, we have a budget to support. Therefore, please don't bring propaganda into the finance bill of 2026. Don't hype emotions unnecessarily. When you hype emotions and you take people to the street out of propaganda, some people will have their property destroyed. Some people may lose their life. That is not the country we want to live.
Chingaki echecho Mbadi niga tebire budget yo nigo egochia gwikirania chi agenda cha serikali.
But I would say we are doing whatever it takes to make sure that the resources are targeted to poverty reducing and that is why you can see that we are putting more money in social cash transfer more than the other years. Now it's about 25 billion. We are putting more resources in other social services like health, providing health, education is consuming a big part of our budget. Yeah? That is the only way to reduce poverty.
Nonya nabo omochirie bari bakomochirie oberi bwa serikali omanyekante buna G2G nabo igo bakomochia egetambokero kya ekyogokora siasa.
And working hard that the shilling remain stable. That is again why I'm saying those who are calling on us to discontinue G2G, you want to this economy, you want us to commit suicide. We will not allow. The shilling, we don't want the shilling to depreciate unnecessarily because that would be raise the price of the cost of servicing our debt from 1.5% to a higher. That's 1.5. Leaving you with about 2.1. That 2.1, 1 trillion goes to paying salaries, not negotiable. You remain with about 420 minimum. You remain with less than 700 billion. CDF will take another 61 billion. Then cash transfers to the end of the 25. Healthcare will be 19. There is fertilizer subsidy, 18 billion. There will be emergency, chronic, and critical 4 billion. Capitation to 3 days secondary school 54 billion. Capitation JSS 31 billion. Capitation to primary school 7 billion. I have not even gone into buying equipment for our security. KDF. We know the budget for KDF is about 200 and something billion. I can chew the gum and scale the stairs. You know, I keep telling people, what I do with my child, what is it that you have a problem with? On Monday, Friday, I am here working and doing my work. There's nothing that defeated me. Weekends, I do what I enjoy. It's like my hobby. And you know, remember, me, I was not removed from a lecturing. I was not lecturing before I came to this office. And I was not Director General like Mwanda or any other person. I was not my sister for lecturing. I was in politics. You can't remove politics from me. You know, I think you can remove a monkey from the bush, bring the monkey home. The monkey will never be a goat. The monkey will remain monkey whenever the monkey is at home. And all the characteristics of monkey will get seen in your monkey that you brought at home.
Nkoripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase omuchio Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambane.
Miyamano Morikito Linet Nyambane